Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the camera and loading storage. This is the first moving part. Insert a formatted 32 GB micro SD, then fit fresh AA cells or a charged pack so you won't drop frames. Once on, open game settings and enable the camera slots you'll use. Select 1 through 4 depending on view needs. Make sure to assign orientation now, because getting the angle right here prevents wasted footage later, and it lets you begin capturing immediately. Once done with power and slots, you configure how the camera sees and reacts. Set resolution and frame rate. Pick 1080p at 30 frames for detail, or 720p at 60 frames if you need smoother motion. Then tune motion triggers. Choose a medium sensitivity to catch movement without endless false positives. Position each camera at eye level, roughly 3 to 6 meters from expected paths, and make sure to avoid pointing into direct light, which ruins exposures and tracking. Finally, start recording and validate your setup by testing short motion clips. This confirms angle, exposure, and trigger responsiveness. You should review recordings in-game immediately. Crop and save highlights to the cloud or to the micro SD so nothing vanishes. If you hit problems, reboot the camera first, then reformat the SD and reduce sensitivity to cut false triggers. Make sure firmware is up to date. If problems persist, replace batteries and retest, because power instability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.